on Boss Lady Empowerment. My name is Erica Hunter Scott, and today we're going to talk about 5 side hustles that you can get started with immediately. Now, I don't know how my camera's like focusing. It looks a little weird. I'm actually using my phone today, and I'm looking a little tired because ever since that we gained an hour of sleep, but for some reason it's just throwing me off. So this week I'm extremely tired for whatever reason, but let's get back to the point. So, if you're new to my channel, the first thing I would like to thank you all for stopping by. I like to talk about how to make passive income, how to make money online, how to make money without having to be online. I like to talk about if you're an entrepreneur, and I like to talk about some marketing strategies, so on and so forth. So if that's your jam, if you want to know how just to make money, period, how to be your own boss, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button below so that you can stay notified on things that I'm going to talk about or the content that I'm going to give you all on a consistent basis. Yeah, hit like and don't forget to hit the notification bell as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, and those who are coming back to my channel, thank you. Thank you for supporting me. I appreciate it. I really do. I appreciate everybody. And if you have any questions whatsoever, just go ahead and leave your questions or feedback below. So let's go ahead and get started, you guys. So the first thing that you can do as a side hustle is that you can become a dog walker. Yes, you can become a dog walker. Dog walkers can make anywhere from $12 to $16 an hour. If you love dogs and you're a dog lover, hey, this may be a side hustle just to make some extra money or supplemental income for you. You can do this anytime. You can do it on a flexible schedule. Do it on weekends if you got time during lunch break, or if you got time just to do it after work, or maybe in the morning, or maybe you're just a stay-at-home mom. You can use this to make make money. Now, there is an app out there called Rover and iWag. So you can go ahead and download those apps and see exactly what they're talking about on how to get assignments on walking other people's dogs. Now, we're going to move on to side hustle number 2. Okay, you guys, for side hustle number 2, we're at a site called Clarity.fm. And basically what Clarity is, it's an expert site. So if you have a particular expertise in a particular area, this is a site where that you can sign up and actually give advice to people. And what they'll do is they will actually pay you either by minute or by call or whatever your fees are. And you can give advice, such as if you have advice in entrepreneurship, you can see down here. If you have some advice in marketing strategies, business strategies, social media marketing, startups, digital marketing, so on and so forth, strategic marketing or planning, you can definitely use this site, sign up, and people will actually pay you for your advice. And I mean, you can be anywhere in the world. You don't have to be at home. You can be literally just anywhere and get paid doing this. So this is side hustle number 2. This would definitely be a great gem for someone. And people pay a lot of money for people's advice, especially experts. I mean, people are getting paid $100, $200 for a freaking phone call. Can you believe that? So get out there and hustle and make that money. And next thing we're going to talk about is a place called Instacart. Instacart. So Instacart is a shopping delivery, what do you want to call that? Business, where people are actually going out. They are actually becoming a shopper for other people. So you have people who may not have time to pick up some groceries, or they're just super busy. But you can actually become a shopper and then get paid to shop. You can do this part-time. You can actually pay, I'm not sure what the salary is, but you can go on Glassdoor to see what their salary is. The hours are flexible, so you want to do this on a part-time basis. You can do that. If you just want to do this on a weekend and make a little extra money, you can do that as well. if you don't qualify for Instacart, they have other where you would get paid to deliver groceries or get paid to a delivery service. You got places like Uber Eats, you got Grubhub, you got places like DoorDash. So those are just some of the other services that you can also use if you don't qualify for Instacart. I think this is a great way of making some supplemental income. You know, I mean, you're just going and picking up people's groceries, shopping for the groceries, and then delivering them. So, and I think on here too, if you just want to be a person who just becomes a shopper and not actually deliver the groceries, I think there's something on here where you can do that as well. So this is just another great way of just making some extra money. And like I said before, you can just earn some extra money in your own spare time. You can work your own flexible schedule. So what Instacart basically does, it connects the customers with the shoppers to deliver fresh groceries to their door. So I read online, I did read an article where a guy, he was a teacher, and I think he got laid off from his job as a teacher. And this guy, he was actually doing this on a full-time basis, and he made over $80,000 a year just going out and grocery shopping for other people. So he became his own boss. You know, he didn't have to work for anybody. And I'm pretty sure, you know, he may have been getting paid a lot more than what his teaching job was paying him. So there's just ways to make money, not just online, but outside of making money online or working for other people. The next thing I want to talk about is called Great Potential Tutoring. Great Potential Tutoring is a place where if you have expertise in particular subjects, you can actually become a partner in tutoring services. Now, tutoring services, they pay a lot. So you can actually work with students from K through 12. And I believe on here, it says you can work up to college levels as well. So if you have a area that you're good in, or you have expertise in, then you can help other people. It's just a way of giving back, but also in a way of giving back, you can also make money in the process. I know one person who was paying like $80 an hour just to tutor someone. $80 an hour. What? Where are you going to get that from? So you can make great money at just tutoring. And this is just a tutoring service. So this is actually going to connect you to the people. Who doesn't have an hour out of their time to spend? You know, you just have to have reliable transportation to do this. So if you don't have reliable transportation, they're not going to come to you. You have to go to them. So this may be a great work from home, not work from home, but a great way to make some extra supplemental income. So the next thing we're going to move on to is called Amazon Flex. Now, you know, Amazon is one of the top platforms where people order things all the time. And you know what? I bet you my husband orders something from Amazon on a weekly basis. I kid you not. It's like we always getting stuff from Amazon. Have you ever gotten something from Amazon, or maybe on a Sunday evening or later on evening after like business hours? You can now become a partner with Amazon. And basically what you're basically going to do is you're going to be your own boss. You can set your own schedule. Of course, you have to have reliable transportation. And you have to be over the age of 18. And this is only available in the US. So sorry, people who are international. This is only available to the people in the US. And basically, what you're going to do is you're going to deliver people their packages. Now, I have actually seen myself when I've ordered stuff from Amazon where I've seen a car pull up to my house, and me being nosy as I am, looking outside, it's the person delivering my package for me. So it's not like the post office, or it's not like UPS or FedEx or anything like that. It's actually an individual. And what they'll do is they'll go pick up these packages and have packages that they'll just take and deliver to people. So if that's something that interests you, you can definitely do that. And I believe with Amazon Flex, And there's a lot of cities that are doing this. So you got over 50 cities doing this. So you have to come on to Amazon. Their website is flex.amazon.com. And you're going to have to come on here and check this out to get how to get started. And there's an app. Like I said, you can set your own schedule. But check this out, you guys. You can make anywhere from $18 to $25 an hour delivering packages to Amazon. What? So if you're the type of person who doesn't like to deal with people, if you're maybe like an introvert, and you don't want to be bothering people, you just want to find ways to make money without dealing with other people. You might not like Uber or Lyft, and you don't want to be picking up people and stuff like that. You may not want people in your car. Hey, that's how I am. I don't like to put anybody in my car. You know, I just don't. It's just me personally. And you may even consider me an introvert a little bit, but hey, this is something that I would definitely do. I would definitely do Amazon Flex, like on the weekends or whatever. I mean, heck, even if you got kids, you can actually take your kids along with you, pick up your packages, and go deliver. I mean, how easy is that? You don't have to worry. You don't have to worry about paying a babysitter to watch your kids. So all the things that I have mentioned so far are ways. Getting tongue twisted. Are ways that you can definitely make money online. Not online. I don't know why I keep saying that. Are definitely ways you can make money outside of being online. So these are definitely great 5 different side hustles that you can do. All you have to do is put yourself to work yourself. You can be your own boss. Like I said, you can plan your own hours. So you really have no excuses. And you really have no excuses on making supplemental income. If you just need some extra money to make for Christmas or events coming up and you just maybe need a little extra cash, or maybe you got a bill that you need to pay that you want to get paid off, or let's just say you want to make some income to pay off a credit card. Hey, I would do any one of these things right here. Most definitely. So if that's your cup of tea, try one of these avenues of how to make money. And if you want to learn how I make money consistently and with a full-time income, and you want to learn how the things that I'm doing as far as making money online, if that is your avenue and that's the way you want to go ahead and hit the. If you like everything that I share with you so far, and you like videos like these, you like learning different ways of how to make money, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below, and go ahead and leave your content and feedback. If you know other ways of making money online, go ahead and leave that below as well. So until next time, I will see you on my next video. God bless, and you all have a wonderful, wonderful evening.